Yo, what's up, guys? This is Justin Crypto, and today I'm going to show you why, in my opinion, it is very urgently time to leave the crypto market, and why I think that the market has topped out way ago already. Okay, a couple of things I want to explain you. Bitcoin is generally trading in a logarithmic growth curve. This means that the high that we have formed, the new all-time high at 74K, in March this year was actually lower on the logarithmic growth band than the high in November or the high in April 21. So theoretically, if this is a logarithmic growing chart, this is not even a new high. Okay, guys. First thing I want to explain to you, we never really made a new high on the logarithmic scale. The second thing is opening the weekly, guys. It's just facts on the chart. You can see the prices going consistently higher and higher and higher, but the market is consistently forming lower highs and lower highs on the weekly and monthly RSI here. Especially if you pull up something like the 2 week, you will be able to heavily see the bearish divergence. Bitcoin is losing strength, and on the 2 week you are on the edge to break down here. So this now with this week looks good, but this can be very dangerous, very ugly, guys. Okay, so let's go to the daily chart. Let's see what actually happened here with Bitcoin. Okay, you had this top range coming in. After that, you had your first, let's say, blow off top kind of push, rejection, and since then you are in a downtrend. You want it or not, but we are consecutively creating lower lows and lower highs since that point, guys. Right now we had this massive push down, and now we are retracing into the zone where I would essentially tell you to sell your crypto before it is too late. Honestly, this is what I would be doing, and I want to show you, looking to fractals, how something like this could actually unfold and end for Bitcoin. And guys, I'm not joking, I've prepared a couple of things for you. I'm honest with you, this bearish divergence on the weekly tells me Bitcoin needs a reset. We are not strong enough to make new highs before the market builds something like this and then finally can actually make a higher high here, break this bearish divergence. But this will take time, and I do think that we need a clean and healthy W structure to really go through that 67K area. And with that being said, guys, this is my fractal that I've copied from the last bull, and I will trade this fractal exactly like it is. That means I shorted today. I did my short on Ethereum. I'm gonna jump into that right now, but I'm expecting for Bitcoin immediately now. 61 was the high yesterday. Your best chance to sell right now, and you will end up with 55 back to 60, and then big drops will follow until we eventually bottom next year around spring, around summer. So this is realistically my Bitcoin expectation. I do think that the top is in. I remember from this cycle, the moment you had those candles, the shit was over. So don't think those candles are good. Don't let people tell you shit. They are not. This is a downtrend. Okay, be very careful. I mean, a new one more high could be possible to get some liquidity, 84K or something, just to have a range here. I've seen that pattern already a lot of times. Go up one more time and then boom, follow through with this move. This would be possible as well, but I'm not betting on it. I'm betting on a straight drop to shock the most of the people, to actually create healthy, huge market structure for Bitcoin to finally break to 200K or something. I mean, we can measure the target. If we then are able to break out this pattern, what Bitcoin realistically can reach in something like 2028, 2027, 26, whatever it will be, then we are likely, and the breakout target is 340K. Okay, guys, so to get those targets, you need this monster structure. That means for me, we are going to go into a bear market now until next year, slowly grind up. Then again, the halving is completely irrelevant. Fuck it, forget it once for all. Bitcoin is in a different mode, and this weekly and monthly bearish divergence will just play out, pull us down, create that structure we need. Way rather, I would put my money, no financial advice, into something like cannabis stocks, which are actually in the bottom right now. But obviously no financial advice, guys, on that one. But if you see, it makes no sense to hold an asset which is already in the top when you can buy assets that are at the bottom. But just saying, no financial advice. Love you guys. Bye bye. I'm shorting the shit out of Bitcoin soon. Bye bye. Cheers.